Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. The first thing to do is to open our edits software or application. And now I'm just going to leave this software editing and now we will be able to start our new project. So you can simply either go to a project that you are already working on, or you can create a new one by clicking on this plus sign or plus button here, and it will allow you to create a new project by choosing some clips to add or to edit. In my case, I'm just going to go with something that I already have, and from here, it will take us, or by clicking on it, it will take us to the timeline. By going to the editing panel, we will be able to start editing on our video. We can, for example, add an audio, and from here you can start adding audio. You can add text, voice, caption, overlay, and sound effects. So simply depends on what kind of effects or on what kind of audio that you would like to add. You can do them all from here. If you want to add some music, you can simply do it by clicking on any music that you have here, or you can simply import from your local machine, which is your phone, or you can add some voiceover to your video, or you can simply add sound effects. So from here, you will be able to start like hearing these voices and choose whatever is suitable to you. We click on this button and now it will be added to our footage or to our video. Also, you can change its fade in, replacing it. You can split also the volume or the audio and add the volume, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.